In Investing 101, this is perfect. Bill Ulivieri of Senecal Management Capital joins you now to talk about having patience with the market and investing. And I think a lot of people are feeling that their patience is being tried right now with the whipsaw market we've had of late. Good to have you back on the show.
Thanks for having me, Angela.
So what would be the first thing that you would want people to know about this market?
Well, in the famous words of Warren Buffett, who is considered the greatest investor of all time, he would say that the stock market is a device, it's a vehicle that transfers wealth from the impatient to the patient investor. So in times like this, when it's you want to run for cover because the market's become more volatile, to just maintain the course and continue investing on a monthly or weekly basis is something that still is a very important thing to do.
So just be patient. And the next step, you say, is all about trust.
Yes. Well, in the financial news media in general, they like to, they're sometimes hysterical about what's going on in China and the oil prices.
Not us.
No, this is legit news reporting because, people actually earn their living by reporting on you rather than, earning a living just, selling news. So I think it's important to really verify the facts that you hear on financial news media because, oil in China, the sell-off is really not as bad as everybody would lead you to believe.
You're right. Sometimes it feels like the world is falling apart, but we always tell people just tread carefully or,
yes,
just listen to our show and do your homework and stay the course. Stay the course is the best advice that I heard recently.
What I like to tell people is that first it's something and then it's nothing. We can go back to the 1987 stock market crash, 89 mini crash, first Gulf War, second Gulf War, long-term capital management, Y2K, dot-com bubble bursting. All these things are big Chicken Little kind of events that have scared the average investor, when in fact, if you just maintain discipline and realize that first it's something, then it's nothing. It all goes away and the market continues higher regardless of this news.
Now, a popular strategy with a lot of money managers is dollar cost averaging.
Yes.
Should you continue to do that even in a market like today?
Absolutely.
Okay.
The market is a very good, has a very high yield compared to bonds and interest rate kind of products, and still at this particular time makes a great way of building wealth.
Should you ever stop investing?
No, I don't believe that you should. This is a lifelong endeavor. John Templeton said that the four most dangerous words are, "This time it's different," when in fact, if you take the mantra, "This too shall pass," you will end up accumulating a tremendous amount of wealth in your lifetime.
Let's leave on that note. Thank you, Bill.
Thank you, Angela.